Looking for a proven youth motocross machine that delivers championship-level performance? The 2026 Suzuki RM85 continues a legendary racing heritage that's hard to ignore. Welcome back to Next Gen Reviews. Today, we're diving deep into the 2026 Suzuki RM85, a bike that's helped countless young riders launch their motocross careers. Design. Suzuki's approach to design keeps things purposeful and race-ready. The RM85 features a slim profile with streamlined bodywork that allows natural rider movement. The ergonomics strike an excellent balance, accommodating growing athletes with comfortable reach to controls and a well-positioned seat. That iconic yellow and blue color scheme still turns heads at any track. Performance. At the heart of this machine sits an 84.7cc liquid-cooled two-stroke engine known for reliability and strong mid-range punch. Power delivery feels smooth yet exciting, giving younger riders confidence while experienced competitors can push hard through every corner. The 6-speed gearbox offers precise shifts, and the suspension package absorbs rough tracks effectively. Features and technology. Suzuki equips the RM85 with quality components throughout. Front and rear disc brakes provide consistent stopping performance when it matters most. The lightweight frame enhances agility, making tight turns and quick direction changes feel effortless. Conclusion. The 2026 Suzuki RM85 remains a trusted choice for serious young racers everywhere. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more content. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Racing with a friend who needs a new bike? Send this video their way. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next review.